Using a torch and flammable spray to pop a tire onto the bead is very risky, especially on split rim wheels, which can become very dangerous projectiles if the locking ring fails. A stationary truck suddenly lurches forward, striking nearby infrastructure. I cannot find the reason, but this typically occurs when a driver fails to engage the parking brake effectively or leaves a vehicle in gear while the engine is running. This footage captures an accident involving a military firefighter attempting to rescue birds from overhead power lines. While maneuvering poles are often made of fiberglass, they must be regularly tested for dielectric strength. Dirt, moisture, or surface damage can make them conductive. Structural failures in public spaces are often due to hidden decay or poor construction practices. Many freestanding pillars are decorative and lack the internal steel reinforcement found in load-bearing walls. Exposure to rain and vibration can degrade the mortar over time, making the pillars prone to toppling. A semi-truck sliding off a ramp during heavy load delivery is not an accident. It's a predictable outcome of poor risk evaluation. Every task, every load, every environment carries hazards that must be identified before starting work. This footage captures a catastrophic stability failure during a concrete pour. As the boom extended to reach the further slabs, the shifting center of gravity caused the entire pump truck to tip over. This type of accident typically occurs when the outriggers sink into soft soil or are not fully deployed to support the weight of the extended boom. Here was a terrifying close call, or a demolition project nearly turned fatal. While attempting to knock down a silo, the structure collapsed directly onto the heavy equipment the man was operating. Reports say he was able to walk away with only a scratch on his elbow. This footage captures the catastrophic failure of a giant portal crane during a typhoon. Driven by extreme wind speeds, the crane was pushed along its tracks until it overcame its braking systems, tearing through its rail clamps and plunging into the sea. As this massive pallet of water slides off the lift gate, the worker instinctively tries to hold it up. With the load exceeding hundreds of kilos, this is a physical impossibility that places anyone directly in a life-threatening crush zone. Loading docks are high-risk zones where heavy machinery and pedestrians often share tight spaces. This incident underscores the absolute necessity of strict safety procedures. The minimum should have been a dedicated spotter to guide the truck into the bay, standing in a safe, visible position to ensure the path is clear.